You're cancelling the TV, right?
Huh?
You're cancelling the TV, right?
Yes.
Check the phone. There's no exchange. And then
Oh, parang ko tingin.
Unboxing.
Custom address.
I'll check.
What do you go to transfer now?
Wait, okay, then.
I need to buy screen protector and
Why cannot? Is it this one?
outside one.
Okay. Oh, the charging is this one. It's the same. I think got casing inside, no?
We need to do again later.
Okay.
Oh, the
Buy
attack.
my iPhone.
No, yeah.
You can help us install the screen protector.
Okay, yeah. Wait. Okay, this one you can keep it.
Okay.
You've been charged $0 via your SingTel for lifestyle.
Yeah, later I explain to you. Because when you recontract, there's some of the add-ons provided. But one is very important for your phone.
Oh. No need to touch.
That's after watching the video. That's the first time I don't know.
Yeah.
Not bubble.
Use the play casing. For the play casing, just use this.
One easy for Max.
MagSafe is compatible 12 and
Yes, correct. That doesn't come with a stand.
above. Come with a stand.
As in you can make it with
Ah, okay.
standing down while charging. Okay, done already.
You put the cover also.
Can, but you will only probably put. I mean, we ask you to put a cover after you transfer.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special and I'm very excited for this because we are doing unboxing. Let's go. So guys, eto na siya. My Santa came early. My birthday Santa came early. Ta-da! Guess what I got? This is a free bag tag from Apple. And I'm gonna show you what I got. All in one package. You see that? All in one package. So, I'm gonna unbox this. Ta-da! Naira! Ta-da! Okay. This is my iPhone 17 Pro Max 512 gig. Look at the color. It's silver. So, they got color silver, orange, and the midnight blue. So I choose this silver because the orange is too colorful. Eto guys kasi, binuksan ko na to sa shop kanina. Pakita ko sa inyo yung video. Kasi nga, kailangan mong i-check bago mo i-uwi. At saka pinalagyan ko na siya ng screen protector. Kaya, ayan, bukas na siya. Look at that! 17 Pro Max. So, ayan na siya, guys. Wow! It looks so heavy. Currently, I'm using 14 Pro Max. So, matagal-tagal ko rin siyang ginamit. Kaya, it's worth it to change. Ayan. Meron na siyang screen protector. protector. Pinakabit ko na kanina para hindi na ako mahirapan. Ayan. Mamaya ito-transfer ko na lang yung mga file ko dito sa phone na to. And ready to use na siya. So, this is her cable charging. Ayan o. Yung cable charging niya para siyang sa Apple Watch. At saka, iba yung quality niya. See? Sticker. Tapos, meron din siyang yung pangtanggal ng SIM pin. Yeah. So, this is the... Okay. Hello na siya. Hello. It's opening. So, I will show you what else I got. So, meron akong MagSafe. Ayan. Kasama na yan sa package. Kasi, kinuha kong package is the biggest one. So, just nice. Nag-recontract na ako. What is that? Sa Gigi. The brand of my... This one. 2 years warranty siya. Your phone will thank you. Water cellphone boss. Ayan. Ayan, MagSafe siya. Ito lang muna. Maganda siya. Oh. Dito is silicone and the one. Later, ikakabit na natin. Or, now na kayo. Kabit ko na yung MagSafe ko. Why? Huh? Kakabit ko na siya. Uy, no need. I still need to put my SIM card pala.
Yeah,
Later, I need to take my SIM card here. So, this is my MagSafe protector. And this is the... Meron pa siyang cleaning kit to wipe out all the thing that I changed. What else inside is... Look at that. I will show you what else inside. This is essential. Oh, this is my MagSafe power bank. Snap power station with a stand. Maganda tong power bank na to kasi 2 years warranty din siya. From Apple. Collaboration siya ng Apple. Mopi Essential. Okay? So, it is a power bank. How many? 15 watts. Ito ka muna. Baka matabig ko. Tabi ko muna si phone ko. Ayan. Wow. Ayan siya. Moppy. Han. Thick. And white. I love it. It's white. So, sabi dito, pwede siyang maging stand. Ayan. Yan. O, diba? It's original yan. 2 years warranty din yan. It's fully paid. So, try lang natin na wala pa yung... Oh, okay, dito. Wow! Very thick siya. See, Han? Very strong the magnetic. So, kahit wala pa siyang cover dito, ooh! Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-stand na ganon. Ooh! It's charging. See? You see how many battery I have? Oh, te amo, te amo. Ayan. So, this is my power bank by Mopi Essential. Snap power station with a stand. Ayan siya. Next is, what else I have from here? Oh, this is the wire. Need to charge my power bank. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see this. Yan. Kasama na siya sa package. Oh, maganda ang kanyang wire. Look at that. Original yan. Mopi Essential. Ayan. Charge ko rin yan mamaya. What else inside? Of course, the travel adapter. This is, the box is worth of $200. So, they just pre-gift for all the subscription I have. Because I just renew my contract. So, I get this 17 Pro Max from Apple. Just released. So let's see. This is the international adapter you can bring when you travel, which is we used to travel, family travel. So let's check it out. I think, oh, it's like this. Look at that. See what they have. This is for Philippines and US. Meron pa siyang USB Type-C. Ano ba tong isa? USB-C1, USB-C2. O, diba? Kompleto yan. So, magagamit din natin to. Ito yung pang ano yata to. Pang Korea. Pang Korea or Japan kasi parang Philippines din, diba? Ito, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand. Yan. Same yan. Ito yung pang Australia. Ah, yeah. This one is for Australia. So, this one don't have bag, ah. I think it should have bag for this. Kasi meron din akong natanggap na ganito. Inakit na siya. So, easy to bring anywhere. But this one don't have the bag. But it's okay. It's just worth it to have this. And, yeah. What else? What else? No more else. Oh, I want to open this. The essential tag location. Hindi siya Apple. I thought it's Apple, Han. Is it Apple? Yeah, Apple Find Me. You can find your Apple, actually. Actually, may mga ganito ring mga ano. Mga ibang brand naman. But this one, usually if you buy this is around $50. So I just get it for the package free. Ah, cute siya. It's like this lang. So you can tag it. Ganito lang siya, Han. Han. The locator. You need to put in the app maybe. So I need to transfer my SIM card and my file. Yeah. But the thing is, don't have the box eh. Only you need to carry it one by one. Charge device at once. Need to put this in the bag. Let's see. No more inside the box. It's empty. So we're gonna throw this all. And we settle my iPhone. So what I need to do is change the SIM card. You see, tignan mo yung likod ng ano niya, phone niya. Like that. Ganito na siya. Compare mo sa other iPhones. So, static. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 camera. O, diba? CCTV ang Lola. And then, I'm gonna put this like that. Is it like that? Okay, I need to put my SIM card first. So, let's go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Bro.
512, bro.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Fully
Yung portable mo.
Oh, my.
Oh, my stand yan, my stand.
Yo, how to stand is like that.
Oh.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Fully paid, bro.